In this video, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial of QuickBooks and walk you through its main features step by step. And if you're new to QuickBooks or just curious about how it works, this will help you understand how everything comes together. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the very first thing that you'll see when you log into QuickBooks is the dashboard. This is basically your home screen where you can quickly see everything that matters in your business. And right at the top, you'll notice some shortcuts. So this makes it easy to create an invoice, record an expense, add a bank deposit, or even create a check. So instead of navigating through menus, you can just click one of these and get things done faster. And on the dashboard, you'll also see your bank accounts. You can connect your banks here so that all your balances appear in one place. And next is there's profit and loss. This section shows you how much money you're making and spending across all your accounts. And underneath that, you'll see expenses, which breaks down where your money is going. And another important feature is the cash flow trend. This lets you track how money flows in and out of your business over time, so you can plan better for the future. You also find your invoices, including what's paid and still what's not paid. And finally, you'll see sales, accounts receivable, and accounts payable, giving you a clear picture of your business health. So think of the dashboard as your business command center. Everything you need to see at a glance is right here. And now let's move on to the task tab. This is where you can keep track of what needs to get done. So just click on add task and then fill in the details like your task name, description, who it's assigned to, the status, due date, priority, and even attach records. It's a simple way to stay organized and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Next is the transaction tab, and this is a really powerful feature. So to get started, you need to connect your bank account. And once you do that, all your transactions from your bank will show up here automatically. And all you have to do is click on Connect Account, search for your bank, enter your login details, and once it's connected, QuickBooks will pull in everything for you. And under Transactions, you'll also find App Transactions, Reconcile, Rules, Chart of Accounts, and Recurring Transactions. These tools help you manage, organize, and automate your financial data, which is saving you a lot of time. Now let's check out the Sales tab. This is where you can view and track all your invoices in one place. You can also customize your invoices with your own logo, colors, and fonts so they look professional. Now, QuickBooks also lets you schedule automatic reminders and even set up recurring invoices for clients you bill regularly. So just tap on Create Invoice, fill in your product or service details, and you're good to go. And inside Sales, you'll also see Overview, Invoices, Estimates, Customers and Products, and Services. So everything here is neatly organized so you can manage your sales pipeline with ease. And the next tab is Expenses. So as you can see in mine, it says no expenses found because I haven't started one yet. But if you click on New Transaction, you'll see options like Bill, Expense, Check, Supplier Credit, Credit Card Credit, and then Pay Down Credit Card. And each one has its own purpose. Why? Because they are all about tracking where your money goes so you don't lose sight of your spending. Now let's move on to Customers and Leads. So once you've created invoices, this is where you see your customers funnel, open leads, open estimates, and in progress projects. At the bottom, you'll also find invoices, estimates, tasks, and shortcuts. And at the top, there's a customers section where you can keep track of who needs to pay you. So QuickBooks even integrates with MailChimp, which helps you with marketing and boosting your business. Next is the Reports tab. So in here, you'll find everything you need to analyze your business overview, who owes you, sales and customers, what you owe, expenses and suppliers, employees, and even payroll. And at the top, you'll also see custom reports. You can create your own customized reports, save them, and access them anytime. So just click Save Customizations once you're happy with your report. There are also management reports, which gives you a professional summary of your business performance. So this is very great for presentations or sharing with partners. Now let's look at the Employees tab. So this one is very straightforward. You just tap on Add an Employee and then fill in their details. And then QuickBooks makes it easy to manage your team's information in one place. Next is the Taxes tab. So QuickBooks makes tax filing simple. It helps you stay on top of what you owe and when you need to pay it. The setup is quick, and with automation, you'll be ready to file your taxes without stress. Now let's move on to my Accountant tab. So this one is the most useful features if you're working with an accountant. You can invite your accountant directly into QuickBooks, making collaborations much easier. So think of it as having your business partner right inside of your QuickBooks account. And finally, we have the Apps tab. So in here, you can connect your favorite business apps to QuickBooks so you can do more in one place. So just tap on Find Apps and choose the app that you want to connect. And it's a great way to extend what QuickBooks can do for your business. Now, if you're wondering about pricing, QuickBooks has a plan for every type of business. So right now, there's a promo where you can save up to 90% for 3 months. The Simple Start plan is about 108 pesos per month. The Essentials plan is around 159 pesos per month. And the most popular Plus plan is 228 pesos per month. And the Advanced plan is 432 pesos per month. Each one comes with a 30-day free trial, so you can test it out before committing. And that's it. That's your full tutorial of QuickBooks. From managing your invoices and expenses to tracking cash flow and taxes, everything is organized in one place to make running your business easier. So I hope this walkthrough helped you get a clear picture of how QuickBooks works. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for my channel, hit the notification bell, and check the link in the description for more resources. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.